Hi, this is Rajesh Singh here. 3 bad habits that will ruin your life. Bad habit number 1, and smoking in your 20s. We all know that smoking cigarette is injurious to our health. Drinking alcohol is injurious to our health. But we don't care about it. If you don't quit now, you will regret later in your life. You will have many health issues in your future. Bad habit number 2, spending too much money on things, on material things, buying expensive phones, buying expensive bikes, buying new things to show off, to impress someone. Bad habit number 3, not taking care of your health. Young people don't exercise at all. They are too busy on social media, they are too busy to study, they are too busy to work, they don't have time for their health. Every young people must quit these bad habits, and this is the right time to do it in this new year.